Hello and welcome to all my dear students. I hope that you all are safe and practicing the given questions in the previous videos. This is video 6 in the series of English language paper 1 essay writing. In this video today we will be discussing about picture composition. In this type of composition, a given picture is a source to which you are expected to respond. The picture is the dramatic representation of people in action, an event or a place. First of all, you must study the picture and decide whether you can write a story or a description. You can write one of the following based on the picture. Now you can write in a picture composition either a description or a story, or you can write an account of what the picture suggests you. So these are the three sections on the basis of which you can write your answers for a picture composition or an essay based on the given picture in the question paper. Now we will be discussing the important points or important tips which you should keep in your mind while writing a picture composition. Point number 1 says, if you are writing a story, it must have a plot, characters and atmosphere. You should discover them on the basis of the theme of the picture. The second point says the story must have a climax, atmosphere and plot. The third point says that you should represent your interaction with other characters of the story. So this was on the basis of if you are writing a story for a picture composition. Now the second part is description, and if you are writing a description, you should start by focusing on the details given in the picture. So this is the second part of the topic picture composition, where we were discussing the writing of a picture composition on the basis of a description. So point number 2 says that while writing a description based on a picture composition, you should concentrate on gestures, facial expressions, postures, clothes, etc. as given in the picture. This will help you to understand the theme suggested by the picture. Third point is important, students, and you should always keep this point in your mind. And the third point says that counsel never accepts mere description of picture. The fourth point says you can start by describing the details suggested by the picture. After that, you can widen your focus for a broader view. The last point is overall you should be able to establish an interesting connection between details chosen and the picture as a whole. Now moving ahead to the last part, which is the description of an account suggested by the picture. Here you can distribute this particular section in 3 parts, which is introduction, body and conclusion. In the introduction part, you can write about the development of the picture and its immediate effect on you. In the body, you can write about feelings and the thoughts triggered by the picture. So remember, students, while attempting the picture composition, you should keep in your mind that the picture is full of emotions and feelings, and you should be able to figure it out by viewing the or observing the picture in detail. Now moving to the last part, which is the conclusion. In the conclusion, you can write about clear or satisfactory conclusion related to your thoughts, feelings and insights from the picture. So this was a brief description about that how you can write a picture composition given in your question paper. So my dear students, I would like to say that all the videos which are posted, you should remember the thing that this channel is for you and is to provide some assistance with your preparations for your board exams. There are no shortcuts for success. As I have told you earlier that you should read, revise and write. So before I conclude the second part of video 6 based on picture composition, I would like to suggest you that you should refer to your textbook, prescribed textbook, for practice questions. You will be getting ample of questions in the practice assignments given in your textbook. Do practice them. You can mail your queries, doubts or answers to me in the email ID which is given in the description box. Till the next video, blessings and peace.